about anywhere you want to put it, you can put it. Steer all four wheels, grab walk, you can just move your front wheels. You can get into places a lot that other machines can't reach. It's versatile, it's easy to jump in, just go. And this will lift up sacks that'll go in my grain drill. It has the capacity so I can get it up over top and drop all the seed in. We had hay forks for this, which is super nice for loading semi. Pallet forks, lift about anything you want to. The big bucket, if you got a big batch of feed to mix, the defacer, it'll just power through the silage trench like nothing. It runs 26 miles an hour down the road, two-wheel or four-wheel, and it doesn't throw you all over. I mean, it's smooth. You ain't even really need a loader tractor anymore when you have this machine. Yeah, I know what we did without that telehandler. Saves a lot of time, but I mean, this takes care of pretty much everything.